Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. Today's video, y'all, we are doing yet another Coach unboxing. Yes, y'all, I am excited. Okay, if you can tell by the title of the video, this is a piece from the Denim collection and I am here for it. So if you guys want to see me open and show you guys my brand new bag, then just keep watching. So I want to let you guys know, first of all, I know like luxury and designer videos don't really do well on my channel. I guess because this was a like more beauty channel turned to fragrance channel, but I have always incorporated luxury or designer items because it is what I like. It's what I like to watch. I watch all three of those genres, so I'm going to keep including them. Those that watch it, I love you and I appreciate you, and the people that don't, it's okay, like it's fine. But if you have not seen any of my recent like Coach unboxings, I also did a Telfar denim bag. I will have a playlist link below so you can check out all of that if you are interested in it. Now, y'all, this bag, the bag is hard to get. This bag is super hard to get. Okay, it's super hard to get right now. I know everybody is going crazy looking for, you know, this particular bag, but they do have other bags in the Denim collection that are super cute. And also, just so you guys know, this bag is going to be back in stock in June or July. It will be back in stock. That's what my SA told me. That's what a couple other people have told me. So don't fret, don't go on the resale market and buy this bag for, you know, double the price, because you just don't want to do that. Okay, so here's my little card. Now I did purchase my bag online. It had came online on the 28th around 11:30 p.m. at least my time. So the bag had came in stock. I hurried up and I checked out. Now my local boutique, because they weren't able to get the bags to me like they said, they was like, okay, come into the store once you get your bag for a free gift with purchase. We'll box it up for you, you know, wrap it up nicely, and also stamp it for you for free. So I was like, okay, cool. So when I got my bag in the mail, I just took it to the store. I did open it up and kind of like glance at it, put it back in a little bag, and took it to the store. So they did have it wrapped up really cute with like the brown ribbon and everything like that. But I took it off because I just had to take a peek. I wanted to make sure my bag was in here. Now what I will say, I don't like the boxings for Coach. I feel like they feel really cheap. And they fall apart really easy. I'm not sure why, but that's how it feels. So like I said, it did come with the brown ribbon, and she did kind of wrap it up for me. That. So it did actually come in a cute little dust bag. So I am happy about that. To reveal the bag, and she is still wrapped up because I have not opened her, have not used her. Just took a glance and that was it. So you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Yes, y'all. Of course, by the title of this video, probably, this is the Quilted Denim Tabby in the size 20. Y'all, I am so elated to have this bag. It was just a hassle and just absolutely ridiculous. So because I haven't opened it, I am going to take all the wrapping off now so that I can, you know, open her up and show you guys. All right, and here she is without all the stuffing and the paper in it. I took everything off except the price tag. But if you didn't know, this is the 20 and it retails for $395. Okay. And like I said, that my SA was like, come back and we will stamp your little tag. And they did. I got it stamped with my initials, first, middle, and last, and a cute little crown. And honestly, it's adorable. So I love that. This bag is so beautiful. Like, I am obsessed. I have been looking at denim bags for the past like maybe 2 years, definitely over a year for sure, maybe the last 2 summers. And there are a ton of denim bags out here. I was looking at like the YSL Lulu. I also looked at, there's a Jacquemus bag I looked at that Coach was coming out with this one. They brought this one out. I was like, absolutely perfect. Now, if you don't know, they do have this particular quilted tabby in the size 26 as well. It also comes in black denim in the 26, but I wasn't interested in that at all. The 20 didn't come in black denim. I don't think, I haven't seen it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick little 360. So this is what she looks like. Little back pocket. So yeah, so she does just open up right here. She does have 2 pockets right here and then a small little front pocket here. So I have been watching people's videos since I ordered the bag, since everyone was getting theirs. I love that this is a play on a Chanel classic flat because your girl could never, like, I don't know that I ever would purchase that bag because the retail price on those are absolutely absurd. This price, the price point is, it's a little up there for me, in my opinion, for a denim bag. I think this would have been a great priced at like $250, but, or like, you know, 300 right on the head, but 400 is a little pushing it, but it's like, whatever, what can you do? The 26 is like 550 or something like that. So it's not a price change from the denim bag to the leather bag, which I thought that was a little weird. But yeah, I love this bag. I love that you can wear it crossbody and it's so cute. I am absolutely obsessed with this bag. I think it's so gorgeous and I cannot wait to pull her out for the summer. Honestly, if I had known that this was out before I got the Telfar bag, I probably wouldn't have got the Telfar bag because I mean, I don't know why do I need to? I'm gonna show you this one against the Telfar and how the denim looks. So here is the denim Telfar, and as you can see, I haven't worn it. I haven't took the tag off of this one yet. And then this is the Coach. So actually very similar in person in tone. This one is just like a tad more darker, a little bit more acid wash looking, but they are very similar. They both have like the really dark stitching on them, so they are very similar. If you have not seen my video of this, obviously will be linked below, but this one is really cute. I thought it was adorable, but I don't know that I would have needed to purchase this one since I purchased the denim if I had got the denim one first. So I am going to go ahead and put some of my things in here. Now, the only thing I don't love is that I feel like they could have either left the divider out or they could have left this pocket out. Like, I feel like both were not necessary because it's such a smaller bag. I think in the bigger bag, the 26, I think the middle part has like a zipper or something, but y'all know this is like the tinier version of that. And you know I am here for a tiny bag. The first thing we're gonna go ahead and throw in here is obviously my card holder. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this in this first pocket and see if she fits, which I'm sure she will, and she does. So the card holder fits perfectly in here. I'm actually gonna go ahead and slip some money in this first pocket as well because, I mean, why not? All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and take the phone case and throw it in here. And I'm gonna put it in this back pocket because, I mean, I don't wanna put it in that front pocket. I also have another card case. This is my Sephora card case. This has all my gift cards, all my kids' gift cards. I'm gonna pop that in the front one. Mirror, pop that in the front as well. Blotting papers, also in the front. I was looking for this lipstick, but here's a little lipstick. I'm gonna pop that in the front. Bath and Body Works lip gloss. I'm actually gonna pop this in the back and I'm gonna leave it sitting up. Sanitizer I'm actually gonna pop in here as well. All right, so I moved the lip gloss here and put the hand sanitizer in there. That's it. Like, I just don't carry a lot of stuff in my purse. And I still have a little bit of room back here to add a little bit more random stuff. No, I would have more room in here if I took this phone case out. You know, I don't keep my phone in here. So I am going to take it out, but I can stick a couple more random things in here. Here's this random big lighter. I'll stick this in here. All right, so let's close her up. She closes just fine with no problem. Y'all, this is just so gorgeous, so stunning. This is like the it bag of summer. Like, this is definitely going to be the it bag of summer. Coach has really like come back and blew me away. Like, it's March and I already have 3 Coach bags this year. Like, totally blew me away. And honestly, I really was interested in this quilted tabby, but I actually wanted the leather version in pink. I mean, maybe one day, we'll see, but I love this bag. She's absolutely gorgeous. That is basically it. That is the big reveal. This is the hardest bag to find right now. I do have a couple friends on YouTube that have purchased other denim items from this collection, and I will link them below so you can check them out. But yeah, I am obsessed with this. I'm so glad I have it. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.